Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Semrush's domain overview feature. It's a great way to check out what's happening with any website, whether it's yours or a competitor's. I've included a free trial download link in the description so you can follow along with this tutorial and start exploring Semrush for yourself. Once you've got your Semrush account set up, just head to the SEO section and look for Domain Overview. It used to be called Domain Analytics, but it's been updated and improved. And just so you know, I do have an affiliate partnership with Semrush, but this isn't a sponsored video. Everything I'm sharing is based on my own experience and opinions. Alright, so here's how it works. Just type in any domain you want to check out. Let's use easyship.com as an example. Once you hit search, you'll see a dashboard loaded with insights. The first thing that pops up is the authority score, which basically tells you how strong a website is in search marketing. It goes from 1 to 100, and the higher the number, the more authority the site has. This score is based on things like the number and quality of backlinks, how many different sites are linking in, and how trustworthy those links are. You'll also get a look at both organic and paid traffic. That means you can see how many people are finding the site through search engines naturally, and how many are coming in through paid ads like Google Ads. For a big site like adobe.com, you'll notice millions of organic visitors, and a good chunk of paid traffic too. Right below that, you'll find details like how many keywords the site ranks for, how many keywords they're running ads on, and the total number of referring domains. If you want to dig even deeper, there's traffic analytics. This section shows you stuff like average pages per visit, how long people are sticking around, and bounce rate. These numbers help you figure out how engaged visitors are. So if a competitor's site has a high average visit duration and a low bounce rate, it means people are finding what they need and hanging out longer. You can also filter all this data by country, device, or date range, so you can really zero in on what matters to you. And if you want to save or share your findings, you can export everything as a PDF. Another cool thing is the breakdown of organic keywords. You can see how many keywords a site ranks for in the top 3, top 10, and so on. This is super helpful for spotting trends, like seasonal spikes or the impact of Google algorithm updates. Semrush even marks those updates on the timeline, so you can see if a ranking change lines up with a known update. The domain overview also shows you which search features a site appears in, like featured snippets, site links, FAQs, reviews, and images. This helps you see how a site is showing up on Google beyond just the regular search results. You'll also get info on branded versus non-branded traffic, main organic competitors, and how much keyword overlap there is. For paid search, you can check out which ads a site is running, who their main paid competitors are, and how they're positioned in Google Ads. And don't forget about backlink data. You'll see the top referring domains, types of backlinks, and anchor text, so you can get a sense of where a site's authority is coming from. So that's a quick tour of what you can do with Semrush's domain overview. If you want to try it out, I've dropped a link below this video where you can sign up for a free trial. Now that you know how to use domain overview, it's time to put that knowledge into action. Check out my video on Quick SEO Fixes Improve Health Score with Semrush for some easy ways to improve your site's health score. It's linked up in the top right corner. Go check it out. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter. You'll get exclusive discount codes, the latest tech news, and early access to updates on the best software deals. The link to sign up is below this video. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.